Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss you class 6 science first chapter food. That means where does it comes from? In previous topic I was discussed ingredient foods and other is food matter of sources, that means food materials of sources. And today I will discuss to you plant parts and animal product of food. That means you see in this diagram there are different types of edible part of plants and different parts of flower, as like flowers, fruit, stem, leaves, bud, node and internode. That means you see in this diagram root system and shoot systems. Root systems, this is the underground systems. That means root provide the stability and to nourishment of whole plant body, and shoot provide the growth and observe the fruiting conditions. Plants are one source of our food. Which parts of plants? That means we eat many leaf like vegetables, we eat fruit of some plants, and we eat sometime root, stems and leaves, flowers. That means you see in these diagrams some plants have two or more edible parts. Seed of mustard plant give us oil, and the leaves are used as vegetables. That means you can think different parts of a banana plant that are used in food. Raw banana we also use in vegetables, and when banana is ripened, that means we use in fruits. Things of more examples where two or more part of single plant are used as foods. That means you takes a seed of moong or chana, put a small quantity of seed in container and filled with water and leaves this aside for day. That means next day 1 or 2 days drain the water is completely and leaves the seed is vessels, wrapped them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. After 1 or 2 days, that means you can observe the changes in seeds. That means whole moons sprouted, that means germinate. A small white structures may have grown out of seed, that is called sprouting. That means you see in this diagram 1.5 and to next chana ground, that is sprouts. This is also covered a same process with a wet cloth. The next day see if the seed have sprouted. After washing this sprouted seed, you can eat them. They can also be boiled, add some pieces and get a tasty text to eat. And you can observe the honey comes from is a nectars, and how it produced have you seen in C2 beehive. That means a group of honeybee keeps buzzing about. Bee collect nectars, that means sweet juicy, from flower, covered with into honey and stored. Flower and their nectars may be available only for a part of the year. So bee stores the nectars from the bee. That means see you in this diagram bee hives. Thank you.